How are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to upload the image in Shutterstock. So first of all, you go to the website, and if you have an account, that's great. I have an account over here. I'm logged in it. It's probably you cannot see it because I locked it. So if you have an account, or if you don't have an account, you go to the bottom of the page and click on sell your content, and over here it's what's it called, it's where where's the sell of your image, submit.shutterstock.com. this is over here. This is the panel for where you sell your image. So I'm not logged in, but if you want to create an account, you click on sign up. After you put your full name and display name and email, it will show you this image. I don't even know it's on the page. This image is where you have to put your location, and after you just confirm, and you just put your address, and that's all. So for me, I have an account, so I'm gonna log in. So to log in, you just put your email and your email address, and you put your password. So I'm gonna do that and come back. So back after you finish signing in, or create an account or log in, so you will get to this page. When you get to this page, you click on upload, and when you click on upload, you will have to upload your image or drag and drop. So I have my image over here, photo. So I just need to drag it and drop it over here. So after the upload complete, you click on this link. So when you click on this link, you have to add a description and keywords to the picture. So for me, my description will be this: Niagara Falls. It's a famous falls, like Canada. And over here, the keyword, you gotta add keywords. So over here you have the keyword suggestion. So in this suggestions, you can you can write your own keywords, or you can put over here. So for me, I'm gonna add falls, blue, water, nature, sky. It's not Toronto, say Canada, and famous, view, river, and this, and a border. It's a border of USA, so I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna put this keyword. So over here I have enough keywords, I think. After you finish from that, you get over here to the category. So which category does mine go? There's a bunch of categories, you gotta read all of them. For mine, it's a nature, so I'm gonna put mine in the category of nature. And over here, the type of image, photo. If you want to, you can put your location, the location of the picture. So it's optional, but for me, I'm putting it. So over here, like releases, so I'm not worried about these. You click on, after you finish all of these stuff, you add the keywords, you add everything, click on submit. So over here, as I submitted, it says it needs attention. So that will show you there's a mistake. Over here, mine needs a minimum of 5 words. I have 2 words. So what I'm gonna write is the famous in Canada. So I have at least 5 words and less than 200 letters. So after you have everything finished, you click submit. So over here, after you submit it, your photo will be pending. That means like after your picture will be reviewed after 5 days. So after the 5 days, it will be reviewed. It will give you a feedback about your picture and how is it accepted or not. So I'll like redo the video after 5 days and come back. Hi guys, back. So after 5 days I'm back to the website. I see no images over here. It says on recently viewed. So if I click over there, I can find my image, the one for Niagara Falls. Yeah, so over here it says it's approved. That means the picture is accepted, but it needs some time for the content to be displayed on Shutterstock. As you see, it's approved, but some people will get a different message, rejected, and there will be a reason why it's rejected. It's probably a reason of it has something like a product like logo that's part of like advertisements, and probably the images probably look bad, or the angles are missing, or yeah. So it's gonna take some time, and the picture after it will be approved, will take some time and be available or viewable on Shutterstock, and probably I'm gonna get money. For recommendation, don't have one picture or two. Have a lot of pictures, and you can leave. So they can be automatically working, or you can get money from them. So thank you for watching, everyone. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.